Buyers, are you interested in purchasing a brand new home? If so, having a real estate agent to help you navigate through the process can make all the difference. Hi, I'm Mariela Velazquez with eXp Realty. Buying a new construction home can be an exciting experience. From being the very first owner to the excitement of customizing your features, there's a lot of benefits, but it could also be an overwhelming process. This is where the value of a highly skilled real estate agent can help you navigate the process come into play. According to the mortgage reports, your real estate agent will be the key to help you navigate this process, as they will guide you through the construction and anticipate providing you solutions to possible snags along the way. Although you will be working with a builder, an experienced agent has the expertise to evaluate the construction quality and reputation of different builders. You will also have qualified insights into understanding builders' construction and negotiation. So if you're in the market to buy a home now, don't wait. Feel free to connect with me so I can help you guide you through the entire process. This is Mariela Velazquez with eXp Realty, helping you make the right move.